Colonoscopy. Introduction. Colon cancer is a common cancer in both men and women. Select true or false. Correct. Colon cancer is a common cancer in both men and women, and it tends to occur in families. During a colonoscopy, your physician may remove tissue samples for a pathologist to examine under a microscope. Select true or false. Correct. Tissue samples may be taken and examined by a pathologist to determine whether they have evidence of certain diseases. It may take a few days for the results to be available. A colonoscopy is a very safe procedure. Select true or false. Correct. It is a very safe procedure. Bleeding, infection, and perforation are possible, but extremely rare. Excessive bleeding from the rectum is normal after a colonoscopy. Select true or false. Correct. Some bleeding from the rectum may occur, but it should not be excessive. Thank you for using Explain.